Good morning, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in to another FTX Watchlist. If you don't have an FTX account, then feel free to use the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. If you have any questions throughout this live, feel free to throw them in the questions box and I'll do my best to answer them for you. We've got a little bit of a watch list here today, which is quite a surprise. I didn't think we'd find anything during the morning scan. Just looking at Bitcoin, we've crab walked for a few days now and we're stuck in this range on the 4-hour time frame between this resistance level and the support level. It did look like we were going to break out yesterday, but we didn't get that. We had another rejection and we've moved lower and now we're sitting on this support level. So it's just a waiting game really on Bitcoin. We're just waiting for it to move out of this range and give us some trends to work with. Ethereum is the same actually. Crab walking sideways on this 4-hour time frame. The daily much the same. Just sideways. We're trend traders and we currently have a lack of trend on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Good morning, Jeffrey. I hope you're well. XMR is one that we are watching for a cradle trade. The trend leading up is not too bad. We do have a level here at $180. The daily has overshot this cradle zone. We've got a higher low here as well, but the 2-day is just pulling back into that 2-day cradle zone. So it's one thing that you should definitely take note of. If you are looking for a long trade in this market on these lower time frames, just find out where we're sitting on the daily, on the 2-daily, because we are back in that cradle zone. So if you are to take this trade, it would be definitely a reduced risk trade. AVPERP is the same. We've got a nice level through here. We've broken up. We're pulling back onto this level. Another cradle trade. But the daily, again, back in that daily cradle zone in a downtrend. So we are trading against the daily if we do take these trades. So reduced risk. KSM, another one. It looks like, we're back on that level. It's not, it is a level, but not as good as some of the others. It's there. We're pulling back. We're on that level. Again, back in the cradle zone on the daily. So reduced risk. Neo is the same. A nice level here. Around $11. Pullback. A nice bullish candle there on that level. Would be something I'd want to know about. Now these aren't setting up anytime soon, around 2 o'clock Sydney time if they do set up, but we just really need to see what these 4-hour candles are going to do. Sushi, yeah, another level here pushed up. We're pulling back onto that level. Uniperp, ooh, now this one's not going to set up at 2 o'clock. This candle has a lot more work to do, and if it does close bullish, then yeah, it might be quite big. So we need that to sort of creep down back onto this level and give us a smaller bullish candle on that level. Pancake swap is the same as the others, a break and retest of that level, but again, we're back in that daily cradle zone. And Wi-Fi was one we're watching for a breakout. A break and retest would be nice. We do have a solid level here on the 4-hour time frame. It would be nice to see a little bit more momentum leading into this break. We didn't get that, but there is a chance that we could see some further selling off and a pullback into that level, in which case we would be shorting with the daily trend. So that would be nice. But yeah, a little bit of a list to keep an eye on today. A few long trades, which is nice, but yeah, I think XMR is my pick just because it has overshot that daily cradle zone, but it is back in the 2-day. So if you are trading today, just remember to reduce that risk and yeah, trade safely. But yeah, that's the list for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll chat to you again soon. Bye for now.